It's recording.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's great.
Hi.
She's laying down. Pussy shot! No. That was disturbing.
Yeah, it's very.
Guitar. Shoe. It's an epic shoe. Love that shoe. Look at that shoe. That's a shoe. No! Shoes move. Oh my god, a ghost! A ghost! Shit! Taylor, look at that ghost. Look at that ghost. Look at that. Ah! Ghost. Ghost. What the fuck? Those are spiffy shorts you got there. Those are spiffy shorts. Those are very spiffy. Those are spiffy. Those are spiffy. Those are spiffy knees you got there. Spiffy knees. Those are fabulous. Rock it, girl. Rock those spiffy knees you got there. Hold my earrings. And my wig and my weed. You should flash the camera. I love the Jersey Shore, bitch. Batch. How she says she's like batch. She sounds like Kelly from the Shoe video. I'm just videotaping this one area. Just this area right here.
Area.
You're funny. She just farted. That was pretty nasty. I can't wait till we hear that. Taylor, please put this up on Facebook. That's the mausoleum. I'm gonna show you a little something. Okay. Well, you see, me and this hella annoying. What the fuck? Ew. Did you see a ghost?
No. I had a bug on my leg.
Did that shit put itself in you? Okay, well, you see. That's mine. Caitlin Sulam, age. Fuck! 13. Alex Hunt. God, he has terrible handwriting. Age 16. Samantha Jackman, age 12. Hop. That's funny. Where the fuck is Taylor's? Oh yeah, Taylor Elias, age 22. Anyway,
13, stupid.
You're 22. God, you have like dyslexia or something.
Ow, my.
God, ghosts are biting you everywhere. These are some. I guess that's what 100 years being alone does to you. It gets really lonely out here. That's a crack. That's a mausoleum crack. No one can fit through there. Not even Nancy Garcia. Holy shit, Daddy Long Legs! Look at those little motherfuckers. Look at that thing. Those bitches are awesome. Look at it. No. Look. Walk. I think this is like the longest video we've taken yet.
Wait.
She's taking off. No! Man, now there's gonna be ghost Daddy Long Legs in here. Damn. Taylor. Caitlin. Taylor. Caitlin. Taylor. Caitlin. Taylor. Caitlin. Taylor. Caitlin. Taylor. She's a fucking downer. You're a fucking down. Look at those squares. Squares. Right there. Bam. Bam. AD. 1900. 110. Oh! No. What's that? Coot shot. Die. She's not happy about that. She went happy. What are you gonna do to me? We just fought. Like little fucking 3-year-olds. Give me the camera! No! Well, that was more like Satan than a 3-year-old. Alright, how do I draw? How do I stop? Stop the video. Stop the video.
Okay.
Stop the video.
Stopping it.